Good day, everyone. I am John Michael Du, 20 years old, and an upcoming third year maritime student in Crystal Lake College. Today, I will talk about why world literature is important for maritime students and professionals. World literature is the collection of stories, poems, and writings from different countries and culture. It helps us understand how people think, live, and experience life. Studying world literature is important because it teaches us about different cultures, values, and perspective. It helps us become more open-minded and respectful. So first is world literature helps us understand different cultures. As a maritime profession, we will work with people from different countries. So culture awareness is important to us. Second, it helps us develop empathy by reading stories about other people's experience. We learn to understand and respect others. Third is it improves leadership and teamwork. Many stories teaches lessons about responsibility, cooperation, and making good decisions, which are important on board. It also helps improve our critical thinking and problem-solving skills on board. So next is the literary examples. One example is the Odyssey from Greece. It tells the story of Odysseus and his long journey home. The lesson is to stay strong and never give up during challenges. Next example is the Analects from China. It teaches respect, discipline, and responsibility. These values are important for maintaining safety and teamwork at sea. So, studying world literature helped me understand that being a maritime profession is not about technical skills, it is also about understanding and working with different people on board. As an upcoming third year maritime student, I learned that the importance of respect and communication and teamwork. World literature has helped me become more open-minded and prepare for a global maritime career. Thank you for listening. That's all for my presentation. Bye.